Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to debug code using Codeium. Codeium's AI powered features can assist you in identifying and fixing bugs in your code more efficiently. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium plugins. Open your code editor and load the project you want to debug. As you write or review your code, Codeium will provide real-time suggestions and flag potential issues. Pay close attention to these suggestions as they can help you identify bugs early in the development process. When you encounter an error or a bug, use Codeium's code suggestions to help you understand the issue. For example, if you have a syntax error, Codeium will suggest the correct syntax. Codeium can also help you with logical errors by providing suggestions for common patterns and best practices. For instance, if you are writing a loop or a conditional statement, it might suggest a more efficient or correct way to write it. To further debug your code, make use of Codeium's integrated documentation and examples. If you are unsure how to use a particular function or library, Codeium can provide inline documentation and usage examples to guide you. When stepping through your code, Codeium can assist by suggesting breakpoints and providing insights into variable values and states. This can be especially helpful when tracking down elusive bugs. Use Codeium's refactoring suggestions to clean up your code. Often bugs can be hidden in complex or poorly structured code. Refactoring can simplify your code and make bugs more apparent. Finally, make sure to regularly test your code. Codeium can help you write test cases by suggesting test structures and common testing patterns. Automated tests can catch bugs early and ensure your code remains reliable. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to debug code using Codeium. By leveraging its AI-powered suggestions and tools, you can identify and fix bugs more efficiently, making your development process smoother and more productive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you again.